Ba't di ko
Oh
makita?
wait, Nix is already gambling. Oh, safe.
Di ko makita. Huh! Ba't di ko makita yung invite niya? Ah. 8. Ikaw ata dapat. Ikaw ata leader dapat. Ulit invite.
I'm not AFK, I'm waiting, dude.
Wait, I'll invite you and I have to be the leader, I think.
Eh,
I'm
diba
just
na kayo?
scheme.
Okay, you guys make the lobby.
You fight me or Abed? Maybe you have delay issue. Ano may nakakasampen?
We gotta hurry up. We gotta hurry up though. Game's starting soon, I think.
How much ping do you have to Japan? How much ping do you have to Japan?
I don't know. I'm guessing like 200. You think it's playable? How did you get used to this ping, by the way?
Takin. Guys, kaya na kayo kaya RTC guys. Ito-throw ko to guys.
I play.
Kawawa naman to guys. Mapapahiya sa ano niya. Mapapahiya sa live niya. Gagawin dami nanonood sa kanya. 4K viewers oh. Tanga na mapapahiya to tol. Kala niya sure win niya sa akin tol. Hindi ko daw ka na into ah. Alam mo, advantage ako ng ano. Gusto niyo one hand ko to men? Pinoy. Five subs, sayain ko kaya to 5 subs. Or 2 subs. A black? G. RTC kalaban ko tol. Tangin na ubris. Tangin na nyo eh. Nalabanan ko lang kasi kayo kahit alam mo yun, pumapatol ako kahit di sikat eh. Pero ito talaga makakamatch ka tol eh. Goat ko yan. Panginoon mo, GG ako. Okay. Daming pots, tol. GG. The fuck? GG na, tol. Ayoko na laruin to, tol. Ano yun?
At least I actually understand. I did it wrong against Benjaz when I played it. I think you actually go for kill.
Ping did.
Honestly,
You remember how? You remember how you used to play against what is it called, the bot, the
Yeah,
OpenAI?
Yeah.
Yeah, you can. I think you still have to do the same thing right now.
Okay na yan guys, tinalo ko na yan guys. Ay, ko-content pa ba ako niyan? Ubris, wag na shoutout dyan. Putang ina, tinalo ko lang yan. Dapat matuwa ka pag sinoutout kita, Breeze. Tinalo ko yung idol mo. Buwan ng ina mo. Shoutout sa'yo, Breeze. Oh, dapat dun ka kiligin. Tanga. Putang ina mo, tinalo ko yung idol mo. Buwan ng ina mo. Gago ang puta. Nagugulat ako sa galaw niya, parang dami niyang pots, no, tol? Ready siya, tol? May ano siya? Meron siyang mga salva tsaka... Guys, pa-upload sa YouTube ko tinalo